Data visualization is a cornerstone of any geoscientific project. As datasets grow more complex, it becomes increasingly difficult to clearly interpret what's going on. In Geoscience Analyst 4.6, several enhancements have been made to the free viewer to simplify and improve the visualization of complex data. Let's take this example, a 2006 Megatem survey conducted in Quebec. It is a rich, three-component electromagnetic dataset with both on-time and off-time channels, recorded across the X, Y, and Z components. It measures the dB/dt and integrates to obtain the B field. The data space includes many channels like conductance, digital elevation, drift, raw and final data, sensor heights, magnetics, decay constants, and so on. There's a lot of information to review, and that's why good visualization matters. One of the key improvements in version 4.6 is the decay window. You can now display multiple data groups on the same graph, show several graphs at once, and assign different colors to each component. This makes it much easier to compare EM decay curves, track subtle variations, and highlight meaningful patterns across components. Another major addition is the ability to save presets in the 2D profile viewer. This feature lets you quickly switch between different visualization setups without having to reconfigure your display each time. For example, if I want to analyze tau x on one graph and tau z on another, I can select those data, click the Save Preset icon, give it a name, let's call it taurific. Now that preset is available anytime, complete with preferred colors, fonts, and symbol styles. You can also set up multiple presets in advance. So here's one for the dB/dt on time, another for dB/dt off time channels, one for the B field on time channels, and one for the B field off time channels. With just a few clicks now, I can toggle between focused views tailored to the exact elements that I want to study. There's also a new capability in the viewport. It is 2D grid blending. This allows one to overlay multiple grids using adjustable transparency, revealing spatial relationships that might not be obvious when viewing datasets in isolation. Think of it like this: if you blend a Will Ferrell with a Chad Smith, somewhere in between you may get a Will Smith or even a Ferrell Chad. Either way, it's unexpected, and that's exactly what this feature is built for. It surfaces surprising and useful insights through creative visual layering. So in summary, Geoscience Analyst 4.6 adds three major enhancements to the free viewer: decay window upgrades, profile viewer presets, and 2D grid blending. Together, these make interpreting complex datasets faster, easier, and more insightful. Thanks for watching.